section 3 triangles on the top of the head. Isolate a small curved section behind the ear and apply a blondest blonde mixture of 1 part Chi blondest blonde powder and 1 part Chi Color Generator 30 volume. Isolate a horizontal section above the ear and apply 1 part Chi blondest blonde powder and 1 part Chi Color Generator 30 volume. Take diagonal forward sections in the first triangle on the top of the head. Take small slices. Apply the blondest blonde mixture from roots to ends. Isolate in foils. Repeat this color application in the other 2 triangles. Process until the hair has an achieved level 9. Process for 20 minutes with room temperature. Apply 1 part Chi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color 4V and 1 part Chi Color Generator 10 volume from roots to ends on all the non-pre-lightened sections. On the pre-lightened sections, blend per section 1 part Chi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color 8V and 1 part Chi Color Generator 10 volume on the roots till mid-shaft. On the mid-shaft, going to 1 part Chi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color 6V and 1 part Chi Color Generator 10 volume. Mid-shaft till the ends, the mixture with 1 part Chi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color 8V and 1 part Chi Color Generator 10 volume. Continue this technique on the pre-lightened triangles. Process for 30 minutes with room temperature.